Blender file format. The Blend file format is the native project file for Blender, an open-source 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software. Unlike standard interchange formats like OBJ or .fbx, the Blend files store complete 3D scenes with all assets, making them ideal for complex workflows in animation, game development, VFX, and 3D printing. Stores entire Blender projects, contains models, textures, shaders, animations, physics simulations, camera settings, and scene layouts in a single file. Non-destructive editing supports modifiers, keyframes, and procedural modeling, allowing artists to refine projects without losing original data. Full integration with Blender's features works seamlessly with Blender's tools, including Grease Pencil, Eevee, and Cycles rendering engines, and geometry nodes. Cross-platform and version compatible. Blender supports backward and forward compatibility, meaning newer versions can still open older .blend files with minimal issues. 3D modeling and animation, used for creating characters, environments, and special effects in movies and video games. Game development. Many indie game developers use Blender to create game assets, rigged characters, and animations, exporting them to engines like Unity and Unreal Engine. VFX and motion graphics. Blender's compositing, physics simulations, and particle systems make blend files essential in VFX pipelines. 3D printing and product design. Models can be designed in Blend and exported STL or OBJ for 3D printing. As Blender continues to grow in popularity, the Blend format remains a powerful, all-in-one solution for 3D artists, animators, and game developers, offering an open-source alternative to proprietary 3D software.